This presentation is going to go through and talk about how to use PipeDrive on your phone. Notice the P for PipeDrive. That is the phone app. It was installed through Google Play. By default, it's going to come in and show you the deals. If you look along the bottom of the screen, there is a $ for deals. There is a calendar to see what you have scheduled for that day. There is also people in order to be able to see information about people, and notice the word people up there, as well as organizations. You can flip-flop between them. You can also do a search. So if I want to find out who's at all seasons, I could type in something distinctive like seasons. I don't have to type in the whole thing. Notice that it brings up the record. And notice if I click over people, I can see the two people that are associated with that specific record. And I can just very easily bounce back and forth. If I want to go into that record for that one, I can click on it. I can see general information, including the city, the county, the state. Those are unique to your exit installation, so that in the future, if there's any sales or management based on county, you've got all of that. Have the zip code, the phone number. You can click on the phone number and actually go in and call them. Also includes the lead source that's coming off of the list from Giselle. We can go back and change things, and we can look at the flow in case there are different activities that are coming up. Because these are existing offices, they have no deals, but if they did have a deal associated, we'd be able to see that. And again, the people. You can click the pencil up at the top in order to be able to go in and edit any of the information that is in here. I'm going to cancel that. You could also use the trash can. It does not delete them. They are still out there for admin to see. Do not delete anything related to the company records. Notice that I can just push that back arrow up here by where seasons is at, and be able to go in and back out of anything. If I would like to go in and, let's back up here, create a deal, you can go in and simply use the plus and create the deal for whichever group you would like to. Not going to create that. I do want to go in and do the funnel. I can look at deals for everyone. I can look at deals for just myself, or if you have admin privileges, you can look for somebody else. Also, one of the other neat features is the ability to let somebody follow you. So for instance, Giselle could perhaps follow Kathy Engel and be able to quickly go in and see hers. Although Giselle is an admin, if she were not an administrative person, that's how that would work. Notice right now it says lead in. It's going to go to the last funnel that you were at. To switch to see what's in the others, just swipe to the left. You can go in and click on those. We have, for instance, lead in, contact made, face-to-face, visit their office, all the same ones that are on the web-based version. If I am looking at one and I'd like to move them, let's say I want to move the Mary Hartman deal, and I want to go ahead and move them up some, I can just click and go through the various, by swiping through this green line, the various pipeline phases we have. And then when I find the one that I want in the dark print, like visit their office, I can click on it or just save it. It automatically changes it. I just changed it to meet face-to-face. Now if I go in, notice in lead in, we don't have Mary Hartman. But if I go over to face-to-face, we now have Mary Hartman. Mary Hartman has a little asterisk or yellow diamond next to her because nothing has been scheduled for her. These are the little kind of things that you want to watch for to help you stay on task. Coming back, notice the red. Every single phase has a number of days or time period to it. If it is not handled during that time period and moved to another cycle or another pipeline phase, then it will turn red, meaning that it's a rotten tomato. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.